Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Virgo Creativity. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. I would love to have you here. So today we're doing a little quick beat, okay? Sitting around the house doing nothing. So I'm just trying to get these eyebrows together, okay? And get all this extra hair that's on my forehead so I can have a clean look. Prime up the face, okay? Go ahead and set it. That's a pretty good primer. And right now I'm just using just a little bit of makeup. I'm going to go ahead and start highlighting, okay? Yes, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer as a base. And I'm just trying to create this little cute, light little beat, okay? So that's all I'm doing right now. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and get a deep color and go ahead and just contour the face, okay? Because I want snatch, baby. Yes, snatch. And then I'm contouring my nostril. Okay, contour the nose. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go into this BH Cosmetic. This is the second edition. And of course, I use eyeshadow for highlight. Okay. Hey, it works. It does the trick. Okay, so I'm just trying to emphasize those cheekbones. Okay, yes, get this face all snatched while I'm just sitting around the house. Okay, I've done all my cleaning, so I was like, let me just go ahead and throw some makeup on to pick myself up. So I'm using that Adrienne Vittadini blending makeup brush, and I'm going into that coffee light color, and I'm going to use that as a transitional color, of course, and just sweep back and forth and just go ahead and try to blend out that color as much as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. So I can just create some definition, okay, because I have hooded eyes, okay. Yes, and then I'm just going to pat on this pretty little baby soft pink color because I think coffee brown, chocolate brown, and baby pink looks so good together. What? Yes. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. And then right at the beginning of the eye, I love to put a pop of gold. Okay, I just love everything gold. Okay, so I'm just emphasizing my eyes. Okay, yes, they're big and bubbly. Well, that's what all the little children used to tell me when I was growing up. Oh, you have big eyes, but now they're beautiful to me. So, okay, I'm just going to put that powder on that I said I was going to use, and now I'm using it. And you know what? It's pretty good. It's okay. Okay, for $1, hey. So, I'm just going to make those cheeks rosy because you know God got those cheeks rosy. Yes, okay. So, everything will be listed down in the description bar. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Just put this beautiful mauve color. I love mauve colors and pinks. And I'm going to put those on my pokers, okay? You've seen my brow tutorial before, my makeup, get ready with me. So all that is there if you want to get a more detailed way of how I do my brows and what I use, okay? So I see that things are coming together. Getting pretty satisfied. Gonna go ahead and just finish up the thing. Okay, just going, using sweeping motions like a windshield wiper. Okay, so yeah, I popped that lash on. Okay, yes, you can watch my other get ready with me's if you want to see a closer look on how I put my lashes on. But I'm just gonna give you a quick. I just try to get it lined up with my eye as much as possible, and then I'll end up giving it a good pinch, okay, so that the lash will be intact, okay. And I just use a bead of glue so I can just go ahead and snatch it off. And I use the 30-second what is that, the Salon Pro, to put my lashes on. Like I said, I just use a thin bead so I can pull those lashes off when I'm getting ready to get ready for bed. You've seen these lashes before. They're the number 605. They're triple stacked, okay. So yeah, everything is coming together. Like I said, just pinch, okay, make sure that your fingers are clean. And then here I'm taking this beautiful scarf that was given to me as a gift by Pier 1. Okay, she knew exactly what type of scarf to give me. Okay, I love butterflies. Okay, so I'm just taking it and I'm just gonna knot it once, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a twist. Okay, that's basically all I'm doing. And go ahead, and I'm going around in a circle, and I'm just trying to style it up as best as I can. Okay, and I think it's cute. I think that it's pretty cute. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to finish up here. You can just make it your own. Get any scarf and wrap it up. Make a little donut, cute little pom pom at the top, and hey, give it a style of your own. So that's what I'm doing. As you can see, the makeup is looking good. Okay. And so I'm just straightening out my necklace here. Okay, because I do decide to take some pictures. So you know I pay attention to everything detailed, and here I am just snapping a few pictures. Okay, and this is all done with natural sunlight. Okay, so the sunlight was casting on me, and hey, all this is natural color. So I just took opportunity. Okay, took opportunity of the beautiful sun. Okay, and I feel like that's when your makeup comes out the best, when natural light is on you. So I just want to take this time to say thank you, guys. Thank you. If you're new here and you're visiting me, you clicked on me, thank you. I highly appreciate you. And those that've been rocking with me, I highly appreciate you too. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace.